Jai Shri Radhe, Progressive Shorthand Passages, Legal Exercise 6, page 13. Dictation start. One of the said issues raised by the senior advocate concerned the competence of the High Court to assume jurisdiction under Order 41, Rule 33 CPC when disqualification petitions were pending before the Speaker and were yet to be disposed of. Full stop. Another important issue which arises that the submissions made of behalf of the respective parties is whether the question of disqualification on account of merger which had been accepted by the Speaker could have been entertained by the Speaker under paragraph 4 of the 10th schedule when such powers were vested exclusively in the Speaker under paragraph 6 thereof. Full stop. Relying on the earlier decisions of this court, the learned single judge came to the conclusion that while passing an order under paragraph 4 of the 10th schedule to the Constitution, the Speaker does not act as semi-judicial authority and that such order would necessarily be subject to adjudication under paragraph 6. Full stop. Accordingly, the main challenge to the impugned decision of the division bench of the Punjab and Haryana High Court is with regard to the competence of the Speaker of the Assembly to decide the question of disqualification of the members of the Haryana Janhit Congress Party on their joining the Indian National Congress Party on the basis of the letters written by the 5 members of the former legislature party. Full stop. Para. Incidentally, the learned single judge held that the issue would have to be decided by the Speaker himself while considering the disqualification petitions under paragraph 6 of the 10th schedule to the Constitution. Full stop. What is important, however, is the question as to whether such a decision could be arrived at under paragraph 4 of the 10th schedule to the Constitution, where under the Speaker has not been given any authority to decide such an issue. Full stop. Paragraph 4 merely indicates the circumstances in which a member of a house shall not be disqualified under subparagraph 1 of paragraph 2. Full stop. One of the circumstances indicated is where the original political party merges with another political party and the member claims that he and any other member of his original political party have become members of such other political party, or as the case may be, of a new political party formed by such merger. Full stop. as stressed by the learned Solicitor General for the purpose of subparagraph 1, the merger of the original political party of a member of the House shall be deemed to have taken place if and only if not less than two-thirds of the members of the legislature party concerned agreed to such merger. Full stop. Thank you.